What is up, party people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Today we're going to talk about hashtag girly things. So if you like beauty and that sort of stuff, make sure you give this video a like so I know to do more videos like this. I know this is a little bit different from my previous videos that I've been doing more recently, but I just thought it would be fun, and I know that I watched a bunch of videos trying to research whether or not this was going to actually work for my hair. So I thought that this information might be helpful to someone who was in a similar situation or is in a similar situation that I was in. So I'm talking about the Lime Crime Unicorn Hair. I have 3 colors here, and I picked these up at Fame Expo this past June. If you're not familiar with Fame Expo, it's basically a convention for makeup artists and makeup enthusiasts, and a lot of brands go and they offer their products at a discounted pro rate. So that's really nice, and I decided that it was a perfect time to try out the Lime Crime Unicorn Hair. I think these retail for about $16, and at Fame Expo they were selling them for $12. So I did try this one first, which is their color tint in Bunny. And can we just talk about how gorgeous that color is? It does give you a little swatch series on the back. So if you have platinum blonde hair, your hair color will most likely match the color that's swatched here on the top of the box. This is if you have medium blonde, and then this is if you have light brown hair. It's nice because it gives you something to expect, but I did not achieve any of these results. I actually tried to film a video of me using this, but I don't know if I have any of the original footage. I might have deleted it, and I apologize because I feel like that would have been super helpful. Just talking you guys through the experience, I felt like it was really easy to apply. I used a mixing bowl and a brush, and I got these things off of Amazon. It was pretty affordable. I feel like my hair was somewhere in between medium blonde and the light brown. It definitely had a lot of yellow in it. So when I dyed my hair using this tint, I feel like I kind of just got like a strawberry blonde, not anything close to this gorgeous baby pink. So I was really disappointed, and that color just didn't really take to my hair. I don't know if it's the formula. It is worth mentioning that this is just a tint. It's not meant to be full coverage, so perhaps if my hair was bleached a little bit lighter, I could have seen this result. Needless to say, I was really disappointed in my first experience with the unicorn hair tint, and I also bought one in the color Sext. And isn't that so pretty? It's just like a muted purple, sort of like a dusty lavender. So pretty. Can you imagine if my hair was like that? Oh, it'd be gorgeous. But here are the swatches on the back in case you're curious. And if you're not familiar with Lime Crime, their whole brand is vegan and cruelty free, which is awesome. But knowing that the tint didn't really do much for my hair, I decided to skip this color and giving Lime Crime the benefit of the doubt. And also, again, let's reiterate that these 2 colors are just meant to be tints. I had purchased a full coverage color by them, and this is in the color Anime. Here is what to expect based on the bleach intensity of your hair. And this is the result. So I'm not surprised that it didn't turn out this really lovely shade of blue. I would have preferred it because that's what was on the box, but my hair was leaning towards the yellow side, so yellow and blue would make green. And I think it's actually really nice. I was really happy that the color actually took this time. As you guys can see, I didn't dye my entire head of hair, and that's because not all of it is blonde. It's hard to see because it hasn't like settled, but I used about 2/3 of the jar for my hair, and my hair touches like the bottom of my rib cage, if that serves as reference for you guys. I followed the directions on the instructions that were provided in the box, and I washed my hair. I didn't condition it. I left the color in for about 2 hours before rinsing it out with just really cold water. And I also use gloves because that shit gets everywhere. I got a little bit on our white countertops, and I don't know if it came out yet, but just something to keep in mind because it is a very vibrant color. You want to use like an old t-shirt, an old towel, and just be very aware of when you're applying it. I dyed it last Monday, so it's been about 10 days, and I washed it last night and restyled it this morning. I do feel like a lot of the color is still there. I was very fearful of washing my hair. I didn't wash my hair for 9 days, and that was of course with the help of dry shampoo. But I was just really nervous about how my hair was gonna look after the first wash. I was very skeptical, but again, I feel like the color is still pretty rich. I don't expect it to stay this way after multiple washes, but that's why I'm filming this video for you guys. I'll keep you guys posted on my progress. The next update will be after the second wash, which may be in about 9 days or so based off of how long I was able to go without washing my hair this most previous time. Again, I just want to preserve the color as much as possible. The unicorn hair does have a strong fragrance to it. It's kind of a floral scent. I personally don't mind it, but if you're sensitive to fragrance, that's something to keep in mind. Now that I've had my hair like this for over a week, I feel like it's enough to kind of share my thoughts. And again, I'm going to continue filming updates on where my hair is at, so make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss that. I think the only time that you should expect the color swatch on the box to be your result is if you have just like really platinum blonde hair. I think once you start dabbling in the medium blonde / light brown range, your results can vary, and that's to be expected. I'm definitely happy that the full coverage worked for me, and I am thinking about purchasing more full coverage unicorn hair jars from Lime Crime once this fully washes out. If you have any other questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below, and I will be sure to answer those the best that I can. And again, look out for the update on my unicorn hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.